So worst shipping segment in 2026, if you're gonna go big headlines, what not to be in 2026?
People have called the container market as like over and over again and been proven wrong over and over again. So that is the most tempting in that, there is this very strange disconnect between box rates, in the sort of the actual freight rate that the containers are being paid to move versus what the ships are charging, which in theory would decrease the profitability of the container lines. That said, all of these container lines are flush with cash coming out of the pandemic boom years, and in theory could, you know, stomach losses and to maintain market share. So that's while tempting is something that, it's one of those things where can the container lines remain, irrational longer than you can remain solvent going short, is not a bet I want to play after the billions of profits they made in recent years. But I think if I had to go short a market in 2026, it's Jones Act offshore wind. It is, I think that market is going to go on ice for a long time. And I think there are a bunch of assets that were already delivered into that market, that are working now, but they did not have long-term contracts. And all of a sudden, they're not going to find work after their initial contracts come up. So that is I think is the market that is, again, very well publicized, is not going to get better anytime soon.